into the exclusion zone. 11 minutes to disaster. The first volcanic eruption occurs. The outer part of the lava dome collapses, and a pyroclastic flow cascades over the northern wall of the crater. 8 minutes to disaster. A second eruption occurs, and a larger avalanche of rock and ash pours down the same valley. Then, at 1:08 p.m., a third massive eruption sends more volatile material racing down the volcano. It spills over the valley walls at speeds of up to 128 kilometers per hour. A pyroclastic surge breaks away from the flow and spreads across farmland. It sweeps through 3 villages, killing 7 people. The heavy debris continues down Mosquito Gut, destroying more villages, claiming a further 12 lives. In just 25 minutes, 19 islanders are dead.
From the years 1995 through 1999, Soufriere Hills, a stratovolcano on the island of Montserrat in the Caribbean, was in an active stage in which eruptions caused major damage and led to the eventual evacuation of majority of the island. The most deadly of activity came on June 25, 1997, when a lava dome collapsed in on itself, causing a sea of pyroclastic flow to run to an area of the island where nearly 7,000 people had been moved to. The 25-minute flow destroyed nearly 250 homes and killed 8 people. The volcano is located on a subduction plate boundary, where the Atlantic plate subducts under the Caribbean plate. The subduction zone makes up a string of volcanoes in the eastern Caribbean, known as the Lesser Antilles. This region is very seismically active, and the Soufriere Hills was the first evidence of that. Having been dormant for centuries, the 1995 eruption had been the first one since 1630. But leading up to the eruption, geologists were able to warn people that it might be coming, allowing for proper evacuation to take place. While the volcano is still active today, almost the entire island is abandoned, and for the ones that still live there, they inhabit the northernmost portion of the island away from the volcano. The preparation from scientists prior to the first eruption allowed for people to safely be evacuated, and is thanks to the research efforts made in the months prior. While over half of Montserrat was destroyed from the pyroclastic flow, it shows that no amount of preparation can stop these types of events from happening. But the people are now in a place where if another eruption were to occur, they can be safe from any danger.